Here's how to apply UV DTF cup wrap step by step. Please note, if you haven't tried this decal before, the application process might be a bit of a learning curve. A few things to keep in mind before applications are: first, do not use sublimation glasses, especially the frosted ones, simply because the wrap won't stick. Second, please do not use alcohol as it breaks down the adhesive and prevents it from sticking to the glass surface. The last thing is, once the application process begins and adhesive touches the glass, it is not removable or adjustable. So let's get into it. Step 1. Clean and prep. Wash your cup with soap and dry completely. Once again, do not use alcohol. Make sure the surface is free of dust and debris. Cut off any excess clear carrier sheet prior to application to avoid overlapping. Step number 2. Position and secure. Peel the backing just about an inch, then use scissors to cut half an inch of the backing, exposing the adhesive. Using the unexposed part of the decal, wrap it around your cup and position it carefully. Be extra careful not to push the adhesive area you have left exposed. Once you are happy with the placement, gently push down the exposed adhesive to secure the position. Place the cup on the hard, straight surface, then start peeling the backing as you roll the cup. Once the decal is on the cup, take time to push the decals onto the surface. I usually push between 3 to 5 minutes with my palm, using body temperature to activate the UV DTF adhesive. Doing this will make your peeling steps so much easier, and decals will have less lifting. Transfer is not removable or adjustable once it is applied to a surface. Step number 3. Remove backing. Slowly, very slowly, peel off the backing paper from the decal, ensuring it doesn't stretch or tear. If any part of the design lifts up as you peel, go back, gently push down on that area, and then resume peeling. Step number 4. Smooth it out. Use your fingers or palms to smooth out the decal, starting from the center and moving outward. Step number 5. Activate. Do not wash your use-to-finish project for 24 to 48 hours to allow the adhesive to strengthen on the glass. I hope this helps, and please contact me if you have any questions.